Have you noticed that suddenly everyone is talking about AI agents? Companies are saying AI agents will replace customer support teams, automate business processes, and even run entire workflows without human intervention. But wait a minute, aren't AI agents just fancy chatbots? If you've ever used ChatGPT, a website chatbot, or a customer support bot, you might think they're all the same. Let's begin with chatbots. A chatbot is a software application designed to interact with users through text or voice conversations. Oh, you ask, what are your business hours? The chatbot replies, we are open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. You ask, where is your office located? The chatbot responds with the address. Simple. Most traditional chatbots follow predefined rules and scripted responses. Even modern AI-powered chatbots using large language models mainly focus on answering questions and generating responses. Their job is communication. They don't usually take actions on your behalf. They tell you what to do. They don't do it for you. That's an important distinction.
The data visualization clearly highlights the key demographic shifts we projected. This confirms our strategy for the upcoming quarter.
Now let's talk about AI agents. An AI agent is much more than a conversational interface. Instead of simply answering questions, an AI agent can make decisions, use tools, execute tasks, and achieve goals autonomously. Think of an AI agent as a digital employee rather than a digital receptionist. For example, suppose you tell an AI agent, book a meeting with a client next week. The AI agent can check your calendar, find available slots, send meeting invitations, follow up with participants, update your CRM system, all without requiring you to manually perform each step. Notice the difference. A chatbot would tell you how to schedule the meeting. An AI agent would actually schedule the meeting. That's the power of AI agents.
Wednesday the 14th at 10 a.m. is available.
That works perfectly. I'll confirm it now.
Let's summarize the major differences. Chatbot, purpose, answer questions. Behavior, reactive. Decision-making, limited. Tool usage, minimal. Autonomy, low. Goal, conversation. AI agent, purpose, complete tasks. Behavior, proactive. Decision-making, advanced. Tool usage, extensive. Autonomy, high. Goal, achieve outcomes. A simple way to remember this is, a chatbot talks, an AI agent works. Now let's look at where AI agents are already creating value. Customer support. Agents can resolve tickets, process refunds, and escalate issues automatically. Sales. AI agents can qualify leads, schedule meetings, send follow-ups, and update CRM systems. Human resources. They can screen resumes, conduct preliminary interviews, and rank candidates. Finance. AI agents can process invoices, monitor expenses, and generate reports. Marketing. They can create content, launch campaigns, analyze performance, and optimize results. Essentially, anywhere there is a repetitive workflow, AI agents can help.
If we pivot the resources now, we can secure the Q3 market share.
Agreed. Let's initiate the command.
Many experts believe we're moving from the era of AI assistants to the era of AI coworkers. Today, AI helps humans perform tasks. Tomorrow, AI agents may independently handle entire business processes while humans focus on strategy and decision-making. We're already seeing companies deploy AI sales agents, AI recruiters, AI customer support agents, and AI research assistants. The technology is evolving rapidly. So here's the key takeaway. Chatbots are designed to communicate. AI agents are designed to accomplish goals. Both are valuable, but AI agents represent the next step in intelligent automation. What do you think? Will AI agents transform businesses in the next few years? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zenthic AI for more content on artificial intelligence, data science, automation, and the future of technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.